All right. This right here is a Revo 3.3 that Mr. Allen.
What up, yo?
He bought from Bruce over at Jake's Performance Hobbies for only 80 bucks. Engine was seized up. I had already pulled the glow plug and put some nitro fuel in there. We also put nitro fuel down in the carburetor. Freed up, so that's good. So these really only plug in one way. This one plugs in that way. Nothing. Motor frees up. Also, let's see the ground. Ground's bolted up and it's all there, so nothing. Oh, well, actually, it looks like we got a bad connection here. Let's see what's under this taped up mess. Oh,
But we noticed that the Easy Start system wasn't working first because the wiring harness was all messed up and stripped.
give it a pull.
I've never had an engine run in my hand. Let that cool down.
Good job, bro.
We don't hurt ourselves. Now, glow plug is completely screwed in. Let's see if it built up. Nice. Before it wouldn't do that, guys.
Yeah.
I think it's ready for Alan to put it back in the truck over there.
Yep.
Wow, would you look at that? There it is, all hooked up and ready. Anyways, time for the receiver. As you can see, here's the old receiver. It's got an old crystal radio. I mean, this thing's probably from 2008, 2009. We're gonna throw that out and put in this nice Spectrum system. Okay. All right. And just let it idle. Let it sit like that.
I'm really happy that thing shifts without, that it does it all on its own.
Yep.
I don't think I can handle any more electrical problems on it. All right, so we got to fix this because the steering sucks in this. So I got an updated servo to go from 2 to 1, and we're going to fix this and put it in and then drive it for the first time. So.
All right, guys, it took a little bit, but we're good to go now. We're running a ridge. Who's your money on? Revo or Rustler?
So which one's yours?
Mine's a Rustler.
Oh, I'm going with yours. I'm going with yours.
What about you, Justin?
I'll take that back.
going, y'all.
Too much traction. Oh! 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 His foot! Alan hit his foot! Go, go, go! See another one of those jumps. Whammo! Dude, this car is... You crashed...
Killing me, man. I broke my leg. I think I'm out of gas now.
Alright guys, so that finishes up the video. Man, that was awesome. I mean, that old Revo had been sitting for who knows how long, at least a decade, but it rips. It's fun. Got the Nitro Russell running. Hopefully soon we'll add the Nitro Slash and do a 3-way race, so that should be fun. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good one.